Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel, and we got a cool episode for y'all today. We're going to be working on GTO. We got good buddy Jesse here with us today. Jesse, give him a wave. And today we finally get to work on GTO.
Been too long.
It's been too long. It's been too long, and we're actually going to get to do some wiring today. So the cool thing is we're going to get to hook up, well, or at least get to bolt it in the Holley Dominator, EGTs. We're going to be working on mounting all kinds of stuff. So we got a lot of stuff we got to mount for the electrical system before we can even start running wires. And then hopefully we'll get to the point where we can at least drape some wires over stuff and kind of get an idea of where things going to be run at. So let's get into the episode.
Alrighty guys, so one of the first things I need to mount before we start running wiring is my switch panel. So we got this super cool painless switch panel that we're going to mount up and get it all bolted in. And I tell you guys, it's kind of cool getting to see some switches go in for the first time in this car. Up next, I went ahead and made basically just a panel here out of sheet metal, welded in some studs to hold several of our components there. Our MSD solid state relay, our Dominator will mount on here, and also our leash performance. I think they call these like a Pro Street module. That's what controls all your turn signals and brake lights and headlights and all that stuff. That's that box down at the bottom there. But there you go, you can see the Dominator finally sitting in there, guys. Finally, there it is. Up next here, Mr. Jesse is working on drilling out the EGT sensor holes. We've got to weld in some bungs, and he's helped us out with that.
Alrighty guys, check it out. We're starting to kind of do some, pre-prep here, running some lines very loosely, getting some wiring running here. This is kind of a very cool step right here. It's very ugly, very chaotic right now, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Jesse just got done drilling out the holes for the EGT bungs, getting ready to weld those in as well. We got a lot of wires just kind of hanging. What I'm gonna do is weld those bungs in the morning. I've got this wiring and stuff just kind of draped over stuff, just hanging out loose. And you guys can kind of see that stuff from area. It's looking good. Just to kind of let me see this stuff hanging there. And before long, we're going to be drilling our holes in our firewall for our bulkheads. I've even got some really cool bulkhead plates for the EGTs as well. You guys will get to see that here very soon too. So stuff is looking good. Super excited, guys. We're finally starting to run some wires. It's gonna be really cool.
Alrighty guys, it is now time to start tacking on our bungs for the EGTs. Super excited about this. It's been a long time coming when you finally get to start making some headway on your hot rod. Shoo, it's been too long. Now it's time to pull the header off and actually start final welding these things on before we actually put the sensor down in them. I didn't show it here, but you'll also, once you get done welding them, it's a good idea to run a drill bit down through these bungs. Sometimes you weld them up, it wants to close the hole up just a little bit. And once you drill that hole out, your sensor will go right in, and then you can bolt this deal up. I went ahead and put in the bulkhead there on the firewall. I thought this thing turned out really nice. Check that out. Boom. There you go. Yeah, I like it. Very nice, very clean, and we are rocking and rolling now, boys.
Alrighty guys, that's it for us. We had a really good productive day today in the shop. Jesse helped me out a bunch, drilling out the holes there.
Headers are ready to rock and roll.
You dang skippy, man. We at least got the passenger side pretty much completely done there. And
done and plugged in.
That's right. And then we'll need to move over to the driver's side. But we'll show you guys this stuff, and we'll get on out of here for today. So check that out, guys. It's looking pretty good. Like the way I really like the way it looks. So how this works is, so now when you need to take the header off or whatever, now all you gotta do is just unplug the EGTs right here, boom, and then you can plug them back in, ready to put it back on. It's just nice and clean, and it just keeps all of it very just organized there, and I like that. But anyways, we're gonna keep on rocking here. Mr. Jesse, it's time to get some sleep, buddy.
Amen to that, guys. Y'all take it easy. Like, share, subscribe. Let's all have a good party on YouTube.
That's right. See you guys later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KilmerSports.com where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.